So as part of the restructuring, do you think people will be laid off? Because unemployment is a very sticky issue and a very sensitive issue in China right now, rising unemployment.
Tanvir, that's right. And youth unemployment's close to around 20%. So it is significant. This business is at the core of what has catapulted China in many ways. I mean, if you look at e-commerce, it accounts for around 40% of retail sales in China, the largest of any major economy in the world. And Alibaba through Taobao and Tmall has been a significant contributor to that. I think it's also worth recognizing that this business empowers many SMEs who have been hit by the pandemic. It's a great proxy on advertising revenues potentially picking up. And we're starting to see through the reopening data, whether it's traffic, aviation bookings, or general consumer activity, that there's an increase in that. So I think the data suggests that recovery in China is continuing. Our microanalysis confirms that. And all things being equal, Alibaba should be a beneficiary of that, which may actually create more jobs beyond the wider group than the headline level that could be reflected within the company.
So you'd be buying more now because, in the call they were committed to maintaining the existing buybacks that they've flagged, and they didn't want to make any kind of determination as to whether or not there'll be additional. And they also suggested that, we have to wait till the start of the next fiscal year, perhaps in April, to get some of the strategic moves that all of these separate operations are going to be making. So, but right now basis, is now the time to be allocating and picking up more Baba shares if you're just an investor watching on the television right now?
Well, we own the shares. We bought some more at around $90. This is one of the cheapest, highest quality businesses in the world. It trades at around 7 times earnings ex cash. You're getting half the business for free. And we've seen with US technology companies, the prospect of a restructure or realizing value has led to significant share price gains. I would be very surprised that the comments from Alibaba, if they were not correlated with the government. So I think we need to take their language with a grain of salt and actually look at the huge incremental positive that the government is doing in actually backing these Chinese tech companies, which probably plays into a broader geopolitical and strategic discussion, in light of what's happening with TikTok.